In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert a GIF into your presentation. Whether you're adding a fun animation to your slides or highlighting a crucial point with a bit of flair, incorporating a GIF can make your presentation more engaging. Let's get started on bringing your slides to life with these simple steps. First, go ahead and open the presentation you're working on. Navigate to the specific slide where you'd like to place that eye-catching GIF. Once you've got the right slide ready, we're going to head over to the top menu where all the magic begins. Click on Insert, and from there, select Image. Now, depending on your version, you might have a few different options to choose from, so let's walk through those. If your software supports it, you may see an option for GIFs and stickers. This is a nifty feature that opens up a searchable GIF library right within your presentation tool. Just type in what you're looking for and browse through a variety of animations that suit your slide. Once you find one that fits, click on it, and voila, it will be inserted directly into your slide. Now, if you have a GIF saved on your computer that you'd like to use, select Upload from Computer. A file dialog will appear, letting you navigate through your saved files to find that perfect animation. Select the GIF file, and it will be added to your slide in no time. Alternatively, you might want to grab a GIF from the web. In this case, choose By URL or Search the Web. If you opt for By URL, simply paste the direct link to the GIF and it will appear. For Search the Web, you can browse and search for GIFs online directly within the tool. Once you've made your selection, the GIF will be inserted. Now that your GIF is on the slide, it's not just about throwing it in there. You might want to tweak it for a better fit. Click on the GIF, and this will open up Format options. Here, you can adjust its size and position. Maybe it's a bit too large, or perhaps you want to emphasize it by adding a border or a subtle effect. Feel free to play around with these settings until everything looks just right. Finally, to ensure your animation is functioning as intended, switch over to Present mode. Doing this provides a preview of how the GIF will animate and appear during your actual presentation. Sometimes, viewing it in preview mode is crucial, as it allows the animation to display correctly. If everything's in order, congratulations, you've just enhanced your presentation with a lively GIF. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to taking your slides to the next level with GIFs. Thanks for watching, and make sure to add a bit of movement to your presentations to keep your audience entertained and engaged.